Officer Buck knew more safety than anyone else in Nashville. Every time he thought of a new one, he found out to do it to his bulletin board. One is, never drink and drive, never roll around in poison ivy, never swim in a storm sewer, never stand up in a bus while it's moving, never sit too close to the TV, never leave a phone waiting for or someone might fall into it, never do tricks on a monkey bars without someone here to catch you, never hitchhike, never listen to music playing too loudly, never play on construction sites. Officer Buck shared his safety tips with students at Natville School. Nobody ever listened. Sometimes they were snoring. Afterward, it was business as usual. Mr. Topple, the principal, took down a welcome bag. Never stand on a swivel chair, as Officer Buckle. But Mr. Topple didn't hear him. Then, one day, Natville's police department bought a police dog named Gloria. When it was time for Officer Buckle to give a safety speech at the school, Gloria went along. Children, this is Gloria, announced Officer Buckle. Gloria obeys my commands. Gloria sit, and Gloria sat. Okay, I want to show you something. So look at his shoes. And then Officer Buckle gave safety tip number 1. Keep your shoelaces tied. Children sat up and stared. And it was like that. Officer Buckle checked to see if Gloria was sitting in attention. She was. Safety tip number 2, said, and then she's on her bed. Safety tip number 2, said Officer Buckle. Always wipe up spills before someone slips and falls. Children's eyes popped. Officer Buckle checked on Gloria. Again. Good dog, he said. Officer Buckle thought of a safety tip he had discovered that morning. Never leave a thumbtack where you might sit on it. The audience roared. Officer Buckle grinned. He said the rest of the tips with plenty of expression. The children clapped their hands and cheered. Some of them laughed until they cried. Officer Buckle was surprised. He had never noticed how funny safety tips could be. After the safety tip, there was a single accident. The next day, an enormous envelope arrived at the place. It was stuffed with thank you letters from the students at Natville School. Every letter had a drawing of Gloria on it. Officer Buckle thought the drawings showed a lot of imagination. His favorite letter was written on a star-shaped piece of paper. You and Gloria make a good team. Your friend Clay. P.S. I always wear a cross on it. Safety tip 7. Officer Buckle was thumbtacking Clay's letter to his bulletin board when the phones started ringing. Grade schools, high schools, daycare centers were calling about the safety switch. Officer Buckle said, our students want to hear you safety tips. Please bring along that police dog. Officer Buckle told his safety tip to 313 schools. Everywhere he and Gloria went, children sat up and listened. After every speech, Officer Buckle took Gloria out for ice cream. Officer Buckle loved having a buddy. Then one day, a television news team videotaped Officer Buckle in the State College auditorium. When he finished safety tip number 99, do not swim during an electrical routine. Jump to your feet and applaud. Bravo, bravo, they cheered. She buckled down again and again. And then he saw that Gloria was actually like that. He's filled with popcorn. That night, Officer Buckle watched himself on the 10 o'clock news. Then, the next day, the principal of Naples School telephoned the police station. Good morning, Officer Buckle. It's time for a safety speech. Officer Buckle frowned. I'm not giving any more speeches. Nobody looks at me anyway. Oh, said Miss Double. Well, how about Gloria? Could she come? And then one of the tips was to keep your shoelaces tied, and then he tied them. Someone else from the police station gave Gloria a ride to school. Gloria sat on stage, looking lonely. Then she fell asleep. So did the audience. After Gloria left, Naples School had its biggest accident ever. It started with a puddle of banana pudding. Splatter, sploosh. Everyone slid smack into Miss Tupple, who screamed and let go of her hammer. The next morning, a pile of letters arrived at the police station. Every letter had a drawing of the accident. Officer Buckle was shocked. At the bottom of the pile was a note written on paper star. Officer Buckle smiled. The note said, Gloria missed you yesterday. Your son cried. Don't worry, I was wearing my helmet. Safety tip 7. Gloria gave Officer Buckle a big kiss on the nose. Officer Buckle gave Gloria a nice pat on the back. Then Officer Buckle thought of his best safety tip yet. Always stick with your buddy. Done.
Nice job. Oh, and Susanna, what did you think?
Great.